you don't pray, enemies go use you play. Amen.
Amen.
Let me tell you, if you are not close to God, enemies will shook hand in your eye. If you are not close to God, you are an aramusteros. Without God, you are nothing. You need God to get to where you are headed. You can't do it alone. Without strength.
You can winch this blood body.
Hello, young man. Hello, young man. You see, no one cometh to the Father except through him. God is the truth, the way.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey! I want you.
Jesus!
My daughter, you have done well. The gods asked for one head, but you gave us two big heads. No! No!
You can winch.
Go! Go! My daughter, his head is too strong. We cannot use him. My daughter, the gods have accepted this. It has been a while since the gods have received this kind of sacrifice.
Hey!
What have I done to become